Welcome to Silver Series Secrets, the video tutorial series that helps you use Silver Series operator interface terminals with other Watlow products. In this installment, you will learn how to connect an EasyZone PM controller to a Silver Series OIT, set the controller's communication settings, install EasyWare 5000 software, install and open a sample project, and modify the sample project. We'll be using a Silver Series OIT with power supply and cables, a laptop computer, an EasyZone PM controller, and the Controller Support Tools CD-ROM that came with the controller, all available from Watlow. Let's start by installing EasyWare 5000. EasyWare 5000 works with Microsoft Windows Vista, Windows XP, or Windows 2000. Begin by inserting the CD-ROM into the computer's CD drive. When you insert the CD-ROM, it should automatically display a menu of what's available. If autoplay is disabled on your computer, locate the CD-ROM icon in your computer folder and double-click it. The CD-ROM includes user manuals for Watlow products, software including EasyWare 5000, sample Silver Series projects, and other useful resources including these tutorials found under Video Help. To locate EasyWare 5000, right-click Software, point to Silver Series OIT, then EasyWare 5000, and click Extract Files and Install to local drive. Follow the on-screen instructions, and when the software is installed, click Finish. Now let's get the sample project. In the CD-ROM window, right-click Software, point to Silver Series OIT, then Application Examples, then EasyZone PM, and click Extract Files and Install to local drive. This opens a zip archive. Copy the PM sample files with the .mtp and .xob extensions from the archive to EasyWare 5000's project directory, which by default is at c:/watlow/easy5000/project. Copy the sample project instructions to the desktop for easy reference, close the archive, and exit the CD-ROM launcher. The sample project instructions describe installing the sample project as we have just done, and how the EasyZone PM must be configured to communicate with it. I'll use the instructions as a guide as I configure the PM controller's communication settings. Like all EasyZone products, the PM supports a standard bus communications protocol. But in order to communicate with the Silver Series OIT, I've ordered a model that supports Modbus RTU, and on the Setup Pages Communications menu, I've made sure the protocol is set to Modbus. Set the address to 1, baud rate to 38.4, parity to none, word order to low-high, display units to F, address map to 1, and yes to save settings transmitted via Modbus in non-volatile memory. Next, we need to connect the PM to the OIT. If you're using the cable available from Watlow, connect the blue wire to CC, the white with brown striped wire to CA, and the brown wire to CB. Connect the DB9 end of the cable to the COM1 485 connection on the OIT. Now let's connect the OIT to the computer with the USB cable and connect power to the OIT. When you power up the OIT, it automatically launches the last application that was loaded into it. A new OIT from Watlow runs the default application that displays Watlow products. Now that everything is connected, we can launch EasyBuilder 5000, the screen editor part of the EasyWare 5000 software package. The program icon is found under All Programs, Watlow, EasyWare 5000. Easy Builder may prompt you to start a new project. Since we're going to use the sample project, click Cancel. Then from the File menu, choose Open, select the PM sample project, and click Open. You can make any changes you want to the sample project, but it makes sense to just try it as is first. Before we download the project, let's double check the communication settings. From the Edit menu, choose System Parameters, select the Modbus RTU master, and click Settings. You can see the Modbus RTU master will use the 485 interface for COM1. To see or adjust the COM port settings, click Settings. If your controller was set up a little differently, you might need to make a change here. But these settings are good, so I click Cancel to close these screens. To download the project to the OIT, from the Tools menu, choose Download. Note, USB cable is selected and Reboot HMI after download is checked. Then click Download. The download dialog shows the download activities, and when these are complete, it indicates finished. The OIT communicates with the EasyZone PM. The first screen in the sample project displays the analog input value, set point, control mode, and power. It also allows you to change the control mode and set point. If your controller, like mine, has two analog inputs, you may want to display the other analog input on the screen as well. To add the indicator, click Numeric Display on EasyBuilder 5000's Object toolbar. In the New Numeric Display Object dialog, on the General tab, enter an appropriate description. For PLC name, choose Modbus RTU Master. For device type, select 4X, and in the address field, enter the address for the second analog input value. You can find these addresses in the controller manual. To locate the address for analog input 2, I'll look in the chapter of the manual that describes the operations page. Note, you must add 1 to the Modbus register address found in the manual before entering it as the address in the EasyBuilder Objects Properties dialog. On the Numeric Format tab, set the data format to 32-bit float and set the number of digits options appropriately. Click OK and place the numeric display where you would like it to appear. To label the display, copy the label from the Analog Input 1 display and edit it. Note that after you paste the copy, you must first deselect it by clicking somewhere else. Then you can double-click the text to edit it. Save your changes, then compile the project and download it. Once the modified project is downloaded, the OIT restarts and the current value of analog input 2 is displayed on the screen. We hope that you have found this installment of Silver Series Secrets helpful. We'll explore additional topics in other installments.